Hi guys, I'm Ten. Today I'm going to show you how I made this flip tool stand. Since I don't use any softwares to draw the plan, after that I put all the wheels on. And then I put all the tools that I need and screw it. It's moving, it's not stable because I didn't put the draw parts first. I'd better put the draw parts first. so it will be more stable than it looks like right now. After I put all the tools, I start to make the sheets because I don't know how deep and how big the drawer should be before. So that's why I put the tools first and then I measure the size and start to make the drawers. The drawer that I made is just a very basic drawers. All the parts is combined by the pocket holes. It's just too easy to use the pocket holes. After all, I tried the tools and flipped pretty well. It's better than I thought. This is my first project, so it won't be perfect, but it works, at least for me. I made two of them. One's for the belt sander and planer, and the other one is for the joint and another sand. But that one planer is just too heavy. Very heavy than I thought. So this is it. Thank you very much for watching. If you like it, please subscribe and share to your friends. See you next time.